In today's fast-paced world, the constant barrage of stressors can feel overwhelming. Yet, did you know that prayer has been used for centuries as a means to heal, center, and provide peace in our daily lives? Join us as we explore 10 prayer techniques that can help alleviate your daily stress. To begin, let's consider the simplicity and power of gratitude prayer. By focusing on the blessings, however small, gratitude prayer shifts your attention from stress to appreciation. Take a moment each day to express thanks and notice how your perspective begins to change. Next, we have meditation prayer. Unlike typical prayer, this involves quieting the mind and simply being present. Start by finding a quiet space, closing your eyes, and focusing on your breathing. This practice can help dissolve stress and cultivate inner peace. The third technique is intercessory prayer, where you pray not for yourself but for others. This acts to move your focus outward, creating a sense of connectedness and empathy which can alleviate personal anxiety. Another powerful method is the prayer of letting go. This involves surrendering your worries and stress to a higher power or the universe. Relinquishing control can be liberating, inviting calm and acceptance into your life. Fifth on our list is contemplative prayer. Enveloped in silence and reflection, this technique draws you to a deeper inner dialogue, promoting relaxation and release from daily tensions. Venturing into more structured forms, we encounter the practice of praying with scripture. Select passages that bring peace or encouragement. Repeat them slowly and mindfully. This repetitive pondering acts as a balm for stresses that challenge us throughout the day. Another calming practice is breath prayer, a rhythmic and repetitive recitation anchored with your breathing. By coordinating your breathing with simple phrases like "Peace be with me," you induce a state of calmness and diminish runaway anxieties. Moreover, guided imagery prayer invites you to visualize peaceful scenes or divine presence while praying. This form taps into the power of imagination and creates a mental sanctuary from stress. We also have communal prayer, practiced in a group setting. The unity and shared intentions magnify the sense of support and community, thus reducing feelings of isolation in our stress-filled lives. Lastly, chant prayer or mantra praying uses sounds or phrases in repetition. This rhythmic vocalization aims for meditation-like focus and peace, bringing balance amidst life's ups and downs. Closing our exploration, remember that prayer is profoundly personal. Each technique may resonate differently, but the underlying thread is consistent. Prayer offers a moment to pause, reflect, and realign. Through these practices, stress becomes more manageable, guided by intention, quietude, and ultimately, a connection to something larger than ourselves. Try incorporating one or more of these prayer techniques into your daily routine. Whether you seek solace for a few minutes or an extended session, the impact on your stress and well-being can be transformative. Embrace the gift of prayer as a source of strength and healing in your life. Thank you for joining us today, and may peace be with you always.